Hey guys, let's talk about this WhatsApp ban. As you can see here, I have this message. This account can no longer use WhatsApp due to spam. Chats are still on this device. So this is my wife's phone, okay? She was using it and then she started having a conversation over the computer. Maybe that's the reason to trigger this, right? Because my wife just used for regular chats and she doesn't use that much. She doesn't spam or things like this, right? Perhaps it's a false positive, so I can just request a review here. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So you just need to click request a review, and here you need to start the step by step and submit with all the information so you get your account unbanned. So you see basically here that you need to add any details you want to include your review. It's optional, but it's a good idea to just include the details here so you can have a better chance to get the account unbanned. So I'm just including a message here that I'm using the app for regular chat with the family, right? And sometimes I use this web version, the web version on my computer, okay? So a single message here, and I'm gonna submit. And now you just need to wait. The request was submitted and the review typically takes 24 hours, okay? So now you just need to wait for WhatsApp to respond and see if you get unbanned. If that doesn't work, then you need to go to the next solution, let's try and talk to WhatsApp via email, okay? The WhatsApp support team via email. So hope that helps. Please leave your comments here if that works for you or if it doesn't work for you. And also leave your thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.